Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baru kinilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Ulam bhang ke yung dorbar thau an ke jila thama sangma ula pyndep ba ke jingtei pyndep ke yung dorbar thau an ba thymmai ke jila kandang shimpor sa kumba shisnem ai. Habaya kuren bagi nong tho khubor ulam bhang ula ong bagi kam kilayan watla kidon katu kat ne ki jing e ki bamla ban kiar. Uloong baga jing penkhoj ya ki basa na ga jing kelem udom bar ga jing menjor ya ka design jong udom bathamai kila deplut menta bar ga kam kalaya chakman menta ka kam kalaya chakman bat ni kermen baga yung dorbar thauan ga jela kan depno hapo ka shisnem uloong u Thomas ula benram namar baro kitu ki jing ja ki baja namar ga jing rai kerke ngam kwa shu banbu yakum gani ga jing ma ta ga daw hapo uni usnem ngi de ban pyndep no ya ga jing tei ulam phang ula pyndep ba ka jing penyang ya udom bathamai ru kelas dang kaladon ka jing penkala ndai udai uba khamsting om ka design ka barim ka bakhya hadu lai hajar metric ton henry mentate ula duna bha haba kali u Thomas ula pyndep ba ka project kalamat ya ka jing kiudon na ka shispa software klor tingka balamang mensha menta ka jingmang kala kiu shaka aspa klor tingka ula ong.
The progress is there. But I don't know whether there are some technical issues which we cannot avoid, and I see that there are some technical issues, as I said earlier, which takes time, like clearing the debris, then going for getting the approval of the designs, the new designs, but all that have been completed now, so the work is started already.
So
when do we expect that the construction will be over?
Within a year. I hope so, within a year.
So when will the construction...
But I don't want to do it in a hurry, because all those incidents happen. I don't want any kind of, because of the hasty decisions, we don't want. I don't want to risk any more incidents. So we're going to finish it. At least within a year, we should be able to do it, provided the weather permits. Because as we know, Shillong, we have all the 4 seasons in a day, so it rains anytime, the work stops. Funds are already been approved. The new re-revised estimate has already been approved. Already started, actually. It is already started because we were awaiting the approval for the design structures, the foundational structures, designs which has to be vetted by both the Roorkee IIT and Guwahati IIT, which has already been vetted and approved. So the work is already started. It's slightly modified design, but it is lighter. The earlier design was weighing about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 tons. Now it's been reduced. There are so many technical, issues involved. For example, the structural area has also been increased. The floor area, the construction area was earlier smaller in size, now it's become bigger. So, which justifies, for the cost escalation also. It's not because of the time involved factors, the cost was escalated. It's because of the expansion of the area, construction area. Structural area was also become bigger.
So how much is the revised cost estimate of the project?
I'm not aware of the, I can't remember the exact cost estimate, but it's, I think, 200 crores plus.
The additional 200 crores?
No, but total cost. It was about 147 earlier, 141. Now it's gone up to 200.